Hey founders, innovators, and curiosity junkies. Welcome to Kamal Good TV, the channel that turns breaking headlines into unfair advantages. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button like it owes you equity. Glad to have you on the squad. If you're a returning legend, you already know the vibe. We don't just watch the news, we weaponize it. Today's mission: Bitcoin just catapulted past $111,000, and our president allegedly made 40% of his net worth with a meme coin. Mark is going to break down exactly how you can ride the same liquidity wave without looking like a crypto clown. While you're here, do the Holy Trinity: like, comment, and subscribe, so the algorithm keeps stocking your feed with founder-grade intel. Drop your hottest take in the comments. Best one gets a shout out next episode. Ready to make the algorithm your intern? Let's dive in.
What's up, founders? I've got something absolutely wild to share with you today. Donald J. Trump just made 40% of his net worth. Yes, you heard that right, 40%, by simply sitting on a meme coin. And if that's not crazy enough, Wall Street just pushed Bitcoin past $111,000. Listen, founders, if you're not paying attention to this liquidity grab, you're leaving money on the table. Let's dive in and learn how to weaponize this opportunity. Let me break this down for you. Right now, we're witnessing something unprecedented in the crypto space. These ETF inflows are literally raining fresh capital into crypto. And here's the thing: when capital starts moving this fast, and frankly, this mindlessly, that's when clever money makes its move. I've been in this game long enough to know that whether you're raising funds, looking to hedge your positions, or simply trying to transform your basic runway into what I call runway plus, the window of opportunity is wide open right now, but it won't stay open forever. I will hit you with some headlines that are making waves across the financial world. First up, Bitcoin didn't just break through $111,000, it absolutely shattered it. The ETF volume we're seeing has tripled month over month. That's not just growth, that's explosion. But wait, it gets better. The $ Trump token, yeah, you heard that right, has shot up 300%. Allow me to give you 3 concrete steps you can take right now to capitalize on this opportunity. First, implement what I call the on-ramp offer. Start offering a 10% discount for customers who pay in USDC or BTC. Just make sure you're hedging through same-day OTC swaps. I've seen this work wonders for SaaS companies in particular. Second, consider the cap table hedge. When you're raising funds, allocate 5% of that fresh capital to a BTC treasury slice. Capital lens. The second lens is all about capital flow. Angel investors are exiting their legacy positions faster than ever, and they're hungry for the next 10 times opportunity. Want to get their attention? Here's a pro tip: include a crypto adjacent moat in your pitch deck. I'm talking payment rails, custody solutions, tax infrastructure, anything that shows you understand where the market is heading. Communications lens. The third lens, and this is where the magic happens, is communications. Remember the Trump coin story? That's proof that narrative trumps fundamentals right now. This is your chance to do some serious newsjacking. Get a press release out there connecting your product to efficiency in the post-ETF era. Trust me, the SEO surge alone is worth it. Let me walk you through 3 massive opportunities I'm seeing right now. Market lens first up. Let's talk about what's happening in the market. Traditional finance, TradFi, is pouring money into Bitcoin and top 10 altcoins through ETFs. We're seeing prices moon and volatility spike like crazy. But here's where it gets interesting for founders. This creates what I call optionality. You can start accepting crypto for your high-ticket SaaS tiers. I'm not talking about exposing yourself to volatility. Use stablecoins as a gateway. This isn't just about accepting crypto, it's about positioning your business for the future. We're talking about a meme coin that now represents roughly 40% of Trump's disclosed wealth. If that doesn't show you the power of narrative in today's market, I don't know what will. And get this, investors just dropped $148 million just for dinner seats. When was the last time you saw that kind of FOMO in traditional finance? Here's the real kicker, and pay attention because this is crucial. The market isn't operating on spreadsheets anymore. We're in full story mode now, and that's exactly where founders like us can feast. I can't tell you how many investors I've seen light up when they hear about this anti-inflation play. Third, execute the narrative swap. Write a killer 700-word LinkedIn post that connects your roadmap to ETF liquidity. Then put $200 behind it, targeting seed VCs. The ROI on this move can be incredible. I'll share a real-world example that proves this isn't just theory. Look at Blockstream Series C from last quarter. They raised an impressive $150 million, and want to know why? Because they positioned themselves as the plumbing for the ETF era. Their pitch deck had the 3 dedicated slides showing how traditional finance needs crypto infrastructure. That's the power of narrative alignment. Now, I wouldn't be doing my job if I didn't mention the risks. The SEC could still pull the rug on altcoins. That's a real concern. Remember, treasury hedging isn't the same as day trading. Mark it as non-operational on your balance sheet. And please, whatever you do, don't tie your runway to a single coin. Diversification isn't just a buzzword, it's survival. All right, founders, you've got the playbook. Now it's time for action. I want to hear from you. Now, what should we dive into next? Should I break down Apple's Vision Pro launch, or should we explore the BRICS dollar end run? Drop your vote in today's poll, and the winning topic drops this Saturday. And hey, leave a comment below. The best one gets a shout out in the next episode. Remember, the opportunity is now. Don't just watch the wave, ride it.